It may look like a blank room now, but we're going to turn it into a baby nursery, and we'll do that by utilising a feature wall in an upcoming paint trend called Ombré.
And we're going to renew this space with 2 people there because it's a little bit fiddly, so with the 2 of us we're going to make that project so much easier.
And turn this blank canvas into a beautiful baby sanctuary.
Because the wall is in good nick, preparation is pretty straightforward. Give the walls a good wipe, tape around the edges and you're good to go.
Now let's just talk about what ombre is. A definition of ombre is shading, and it's a French term which basically means seamlessly going from light to dark or dark to light, which is the effect that we're going to do on this wall with these 3 colours.
Now this ombre effect involves blending of different colours of paint, so what we want to do is have more time. Painter's tip, this product Floetrol, when you add it to your paint, it slows down the drying of that paint and gives you a lot more time, makes the job easier.
So for our version of ombre, we've decided to go for dark to light, and that way we're going to get maximum impact.
And this is where having 2 people is ideal because I've already started the cutting in and Leah's on the rolling. We want to get good coverage with this first colour, so we're using Monarch's wall and ceiling roller, which is made from quality microfiber fabric, so you get a beautiful smooth finish, and it's ideal for flat and low sheen paints like this.
Now this is where the fun really starts. So I'm going to get the second colour onto the wall, and Mark is following me closely with this crisscross painting technique to get the blending.
The ombre effect takes a bit of playing around to get right, so really work the paint in with a brush. You can even apply water mist as you go to help blend the colours, and run over the paint with a roller to smooth it all out if you need to. So we've applied our 3 colours of paint onto our wall and we've been doing the blend. We're just going to massage it a bit more now to get that perfect ombre finish.
That looks brilliant. All right, now all we have to do is just dress it. You know what, I really love the way this wall's come up. It's the perfect addition for this room. Basically, because of the ombre, it is the art. It speaks for itself. You don't need to add any fussy photos or pictures. You just let it be, and it's a perfect feature.
And having the 2 of us, we were able to renew in blue, renew in 2, this wall easily and quickly. Amazing.
And it's perfect for a new bubba.